Assalamualaikum students, let's discuss some properties of real number. ठीक है, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रियल नंबर में सबसे पहले हमारे पास आती है क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी. क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी मीन्स whenever we are adding two real numbers the answer will also be a real number, and whenever we are subtracting two real numbers the answer will also be a real number. यानी कि अगर हम दोनों real numbers को add और subtract करें या multiply और divide करें so we will get the real number again. So closure property is basically when we add, subtract, multiply or divide any two real numbers we will get the number that is also belongs to a real number. Second property we have is commutative property. Commutative property is basically a property in which when we add or multiply two real numbers so by changing their position there will be no impact on answer. इसका मतलब अगर हम एडिशन की बात करें a प्लस b और b प्लस a इन बोथ कंडीशन वी विल गेट दी सिमिलर आंसर. एग्जाम्पल दूसरी आपके पास मौजूद है, under root 3 plus under root 7 that is equals to under root 7 plus under root 3. It means in both condition we will get the similar answer. But if we are going towards the subtraction में की अगर हम बात करते हैं so by changing their position their answer will not same. So we can say that the property is not applicable for subtraction and division as well. क्योंकि division की भी अगर हम बात करते हैं तो by changing their position we will get different आंसर. क्योंकि अगर हम डिवीजन में बात करें तो डिवीजन में डिवाइजर और डिविडेंड दोनों चेंज हो जाते हैं जिसकी वजह से हमें डिफरेंट आंसर मिल सकते हैं. सही. सो इन कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी इज ओनली एप्लीकेबल इन एडिशन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन. क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेशन में भी हमारे पास क्या होता है, हमारे पास आंसर्स सेम आते हैं बाय चेंजिंग देयर पोजीशन. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. 2 multiplied by 5 or 5 multiplied by 2 both are same in multiplication. So we can say that commutative property is only applicable in addition and multiplication. Next property we have is associative property. Associative property is basically based in three terms के ऊपर बेस करती है, but in this property we have a similar operation. If we are talking about multiplication, so three numbers are multiplied by each other, but by making their groups. As we have an example, a multiplied by b multiplied by c. So in which we have b multiplied by c is in group. So अगर हम b multiplied by c को पहले हम solve करते हैं then we multiply it by a. So as compared to the other side there is a group of a multiplied by b and then multiplied by c. तो अगर हम ग्रुप्स में इसको सॉल्व करते हैं तो ग्रुप में सॉल्व करने के बाद भी वी विल गेट द सिमिलर आंसर. ऐसे ही हमारे पास एग्जांपल है 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3, in which here we have a group of 5 multiplied by 3 and on the other side we have a group of 4 multiplied by 5. So what we have to do, basically in both condition we will get the similar answer. ऐसे ही अगर हम एडिशन की बात करें एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी में तो एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी में एडिशन भी क्या है, सेम है कि अगर हम ग्रुप बनाते हैं दोनों तरफ different numbers का so we will get the similar answer. सही. So associative property is also applicable in addition and multiplication. It is not applicable in subtraction or division. Now the next property is additive identity. What is additive identity? Basically whenever we are adding any real number with 0 the answer is the similar real number. Right, as we have 11 plus 0 that is equals to 11, or we have 0 plus 11 is equals to 11. Right, whenever we add any number with 0 the answer will be same. Next we have additive inverse. Additive inverse is very clear with their name, as we have to add the inverse of the number. As we have a so we have to add minus a to make them 0. Right, as we have 4 so plus minus 4 so we will get 0. So whenever we are talking about additive identity or additive inverse, in both the condition we must have a value, we must have 0 there. राइट अगर हम ऐड कर रहे हैं तो 0 से ऐड करेंगे, या फिर एडिटिव इन्वर्स की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो हमें आंसर में क्या मिल जाएगा, 0 मिल जाएगा। क्यों? क्योंकि हमने एडिटिव में उस हमेशा वैल्यू के इन्वर्स को ऐड करना होता है। एज वी हैव -9, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू ऐड 9 इन इट टू मेक इट 0। But if we are talking about multiplicative identity and multiplicative inverse, तो दोनों में कंडीशन में क्या होगा, एडिटिव में हमारे पास 0 मौजूद था और मल्टीप्लिकेटिव में हमारे पास मौजूद है 1। इट मीन्स whenever we have to multiply any real number with 1, we will get the similar real number, right? So 1 multiplied by a 1/2 multiplied by 1, that is equals to 1/2. But in the case of multiplicative inverse, what we have to do, multiplicative inverse यानी कि हमने मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है नंबर के इनवर्स को। 2 multiplied by 3, 2/3 multiplied by 3/2, that is equals to 1. As we cancel the number, 2 is cancelled by 2 and 3 is cancelled by 3, so we will get 1 here, right? Or we have 5 multiplied by inverse of 5 will become 1/5. So in multiplicative inverse we have to multiply by its reciprocal, by its inverse, so the answer will become 1.